Hello students, good morning. Students, as we have completed everything related to examination, now we have to prepare for the oral examination. So this video will give you, or we can say it will help you to complete your oral exam. Okay, so the questions goes like this. This is related to EVS 1 subject. Okay, so what are the big obstacles in our society? Poverty and lack of education. Which values have been a part of our social life? Non-violence and peace. What is needed to produce construction material and what is needed to produce construction material? Energy. What make the land saline and fallow? Overwatering. ज़्यादा पानी नहीं डालना चाहिए मिट्टी में. Okay, otherwise it become saline and fallow. That is the useless land in which we can't cultivate any crop. Next, what is used to protect the plant from disease? Pesticides. Give full form of CNG, LPG. CNG compressed natural gas, LPG liquefied petroleum gas. Seventh question. What are set up to take care of domestic animal? Fodder camps. These are the questions related to EVS 2 subject. Where did the first human appear? On African continent. Who are the most evolved animal among vertebrates? Mammal. Who can stand erect and had developed brain? Homo erectus. What do you mean by thinking or intelligent man? Homo sapien. They are the intelligent and thinking man. What were Homo sapien in Europe were known as Cro-Magnon. In which country remains of Neanderthal were found? Germany. How it was estimated that Neanderthals become extinct? By C14 dating method, that is carbon 14 dating technique. We come to know that the Neanderthals were become extinct. That means अब वो नहीं रहे Neanderthal. Okay. Next, we have to start with our reading session. Yes, students, take out page number 46 of your EVS 1 textbook. Take out fast. Ready? Start. We learned about the physical setup of India with help of a map and questions given with it. Our country comprises various rivers, mountain, plateau, plain, island, etc. So students, here you have to go reading with our country. ठीक है, our country से आपको पढ़ना है. ये पहले का मत पढ़ो, ये आपसे पढ़ना है आपको. Our country comprises various rivers, mountain, plateau, plain, islands, etc. Clear? Okay. Now we go. The Indian subcontinent is surrounded by water on three sides and tapers towards the south. This part is called as Indian Peninsula. Our northern border is defined by lofty Himalayan ranges. Our country has forest, plain and deserts. The expanse of our country is large. Expanse means फैलना, expand करना. It is very large. Okay, the expanse of our country is large. The height above the sea level varies and goes up even beyond 8,000 meters. Therefore, the weather condition changes from region to region. These give rise to a wide variety of plant, animal and birds. Similarly, there is also a difference in the crops cultivated. Wheat is a primary crop in north, rice is a primary crop in south and along the coast. Jowar is produced on large scale in central India. This diversity has a significant effect on our lifestyle, custom and tradition of custom, tradition and culture. Next, take out page number 55. Students, here you have to start reading with the population. The population of the world is increasing all the time. That is why houses are being built in large number. Natural resources have been used in very great quantity to build these houses. They are obtained using the method listed below. These methods are harmful to environment and lead to the pollution of air, water and soil, and also cause noise pollution. Digging up hills for quarrying, extracting sand from seashore and riverbed, extracting stone and earth from ground, drawing out extractive amount of groundwater, felling trees to clear land, filling up pond, lake, stream, river, creek and low-lying area to reclaim land. That's all, students. You have to complete your reading till reclaim land. So, best of luck for your exams and oral exam, and get prepared for it, students. Bye.